Are you looking for the best aquarium stands? In this video we will look at some of the 7 best aquarium stands on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. GDLF 55 to 75 gallon fish tank stand. The GDLF fish tank stand is a heavy-duty metal aquarium stand designed to accommodate 55 to 75 gallon fish tanks. Its 2-tier design allows you to save valuable floor space, with the desktop able to hold a 55 to 75 gallon tank and the lower shelf suitable for a 20 gallon tank or smaller. The stand is constructed with 6 1.5-inch thick steel powder-coated legs, a strong metal support frame, and a 1.2 thick moisture-resistant MDF tabletop. It provides stability, durability, and a weight capacity of 850 pounds for the tabletop and 250 pounds for the bottom shelf. Additionally, the stand features a sleek and modern design with black steel legs and a wood grain cabinet, making it easy to match with your existing furniture decor. With the GDLF fish tank stand, you can conveniently store your fish accessories in a neat and well-organized manner, thanks to the included iron shelf and removable cabinet shelf. This stand is not only practical but also aesthetically pleasing. Number 2. HERCHER 20 to 29 gallon aquarium stand. HERCHER fish tank stand is a wide and sturdy metal frame stand designed to accommodate 20 to 29 gallon fish tanks. It features a 2-in-1 space design with a desktop that can fit differently shaped fish tanks and a bottom level for smaller tanks. This design raises the height of the fish tank for comfortable viewing and maximizes the use of limited space. The stand is made of thick steel with powder coating and sturdy MDF board, ensuring stability and a weight capacity of up to 330 pounds. It also includes a convenient storage cabinet in the middle to keep your fish tank area organized. With its modern black design, the HERCHER fish tank stand is not only practical but also a beautiful addition to any home decor. Number 3. Aquatic Fundamentals 20 gallon metal aquarium stand. The Aquatic Fundamentals 20 gallon metal aquarium stand is designed to hold up to 20 gallons, or 200 pounds of weight. It is constructed with steel and features a powder-coated modern black finish that is moisture-resistant. The stand is easy to assemble and has dimensions of 24.3-inch L x 12.5, W x 27.8-inch. Tank is not included. Sturdy construction that can support up to 20 gallons or 200 pounds of weight. Modern black finish that is moisture-resistant. Easy to assemble. Number 4. Finomenal Aquarium Stand. Introducing the Finomenal Aquarium Stand, a solid white fish tank table that is perfect for all your aquarium stand needs. This stand is made with a solid wood frame, providing sturdy support for tanks up to 20 gallons. Say goodbye to flimsy particle board that deteriorates quickly when exposed to water. With the Finomenal stand, you can enjoy the convenience of an easy-access shelf right under the tank, allowing you to store food and other essentials within reach. The cabinet also provides a hidden storage space to keep everything organized. Not only does this stand look great with or without a fish tank, but it is also versatile enough to be used as a terrarium stand for your reptiles. Upgrade your aquarium setup with the Finomenal stand today. Number 5. GDLF fish tank stand for 20 gallon. The GDLF fish tank stand is suitable for most 20 gallon fish tanks with a measurement of up to 28.7 inch long and 16.5 wide. It is a 2-in-1 space-saving stand that fits a 20-gallon fish tank on the desktop and a 10-gallon fish tank on the lower shelf. Its sturdy and durable construction is made of thick steel powder-coated frames and moisture-resistant P2 MDF board. The stand also provides convenient storage for fish accessories in a neat and organized configuration. The black steel legs with a powder-coated finish paired with the wood grain cabinet create a sleek and modern design that easily matches any furniture decor. Number 6. Aqueon Metal Aquarium Stand. The Aqueon Metal Aquarium Stand is designed to fit standard 10 and 5.5 gallon aquariums with its top and bottom shelves, respectively. The stand is made of durable steel with rust-resistant powder-coated finish and is 28.25 inch high. The wood panels are reversible, offering 2 color options, black or light brown. Additionally, they can flip up, providing access to the bottom aquarium. Number 7. iSunirm 40 to 50 gallon aquarium stand. iSunirm Aquarium Stand is a versatile and stylish fish tank stand that provides convenience and functionality for fish and reptile enthusiasts. It features LED lights with RGB capabilities, allowing you to adjust the lighting according to your mood. The built-in music mic and timing functions add a touch of entertainment. The stand also includes a charging station with USB ports and AC outlets, providing sufficient power for your electrical equipment. With its 3-in-1 design, it offers ample space for multiple tanks and storage for accessories. The sleek and modern design complements any home decor, making it a perfect decorative addition. Made with a sturdy metal frame, this stand ensures the stability and durability of your tanks.